How to use Spotify with Shokz OpenSwim. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how you can easily use Spotify with the Shokz OpenSwim. So the Shokz OpenSwim headphones are designed for MP3 playback and not Bluetooth streamings like Spotify. However, there are a couple of ways to get your Spotify music onto your OpenSwim for swimming. First of all, you can download and then you can transfer the music. So there are some third party tools available online that can convert Spotify music into mp3 format. However, you need to be aware that downloading copyright content without permission can be illegal. It is important to check Spotify's term of the service for their stance on downloading music. Then once you have your music in mp3 format, you can transfer them into the OpenSwim's internal storage using a computer. The OpenSwim typically connects to your computer like a USB drive, allowing you to drag and drop the mp3 files. Then what you can do is you can use a different Shokz model. So if having direct access to Spotify during your sim is important to you, then you can even consider a different Shokz headphone model with Bluetooth connectivity such as Shokz Open Run or Aeropex. These models allow you to connect your phone and stream music directly from Spotify. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.